Hello, my name is Michael Santos and I'm with prisonprofessor.com. Today I'd like to speak with you a little bit about early release. If you've been charged with a criminal indictment or you've been convicted, one of the thoughts that will be going through your mind is what you can do to leave prison at the soonest possible time. Unfortunately, the federal prison system is designed to receive, and there is a huge investment made in finality. So there are very few opportunities for individuals to advance their release dates. The most common approach is through the judicial system, which is, even in that situation, is very rare. But that would be something that your defense attorney would guide you through on appeal or through a post-conviction relief. As a former long-term prisoner, my expertise is on preparing for the best possible journey through the prison system and steps that an individual can take to emerge successfully. And for some, that will include advancing their release dates. Now, there's only one program inside of the Bureau of Prisons that will allow an individual to advance the release date, and that is the residential drug abuse program. A lot of people think that because they don't have a substance abuse problem, they can't qualify for that program. But the reality is, many of the people who go through the RDAP program aren't really substance abusers. They've just positioned them well to participate in the program and to reap the advantages of it. For example, in the lesson plan that I wrote and make available on prisonprofessor.com, I allude or provide an example of Sam Waksal, who was the former chairman of Inclone, a biotech company. He went to prison about 10 years ago for violating insider trading rules. It was a well-known case because Martha Stewart was involved in it. But the reason that I reuse Sam Waksal as an example is because Sam was one of the individuals who benefited from the residential drug abuse program. Now, my question for you is, do you think that Sam Waksal has a substance abuse problem, or do you think that he positioned himself well to reap the rewards that come from those who participate successfully in the RDAP program? At the end of the day, his sentence was reduced by a full 12 months. And that's not 12 months off of the sentence, it's 12 months, it's walking out of prison 12 months earlier than otherwise would have been the case. And that's what can happen for individuals who qualify. So if you'd like to qualify, I'd love to help you understand what those steps are and what you can do to position yourself to participate in RDAP if you choose that that's right for you. And there are pluses and cons to going through that, so it's very important for you to understand how to qualify, whether it's right for you, and whether you want to take the steps necessary to ensure your participation in RDAP. Another early release mechanism is executive clemency. Now, that also is a very difficult approach to be released from prison early. And those of you who want to position yourselves for executive clemency couldn't have a better time than right now. If you look at the Department of Justice's website, you will see that there is a clemency initiative that will begin in November of 2015, where the White House will work with the pardon attorney to have a more streamlined approach to review clemency petitions. And it's crucial that defendants who want to advance a petition do everything within their power to create the strongest possible position. And that begins at the earliest stages of the journey. If an individual can start preparing himself before he goes into the prison system, he will be significantly better in advancing a strong position than if he didn't begin until the end. So I have a lot of experience in working with individuals who want to build a narrative that shows them as being something different from what the government put forth. And if you'd like to learn about that, I would encourage you to visit our website at prisonprofessor.com or to contact me directly. You can reach me on my cell phone at 415-419-1728. My name is Michael Santos. If you Google my name, you'll see why I am well qualified to guide you and your family through these very difficult times. Thank you very much. I hope to hear from you, and I wish you strength as you navigate these very difficult times. I can assure you there's better times ahead. Thank you very much.